Hi, well, I'm a fair way from home today, but I've been given a chance to look around some leather conservation work that's been going on. And there's lots of harness here, which a lot of leather can go sort of powdery and gets what they call red rot. So it goes slightly tingy red, the leather. And the best way to conserve it is to actually brush on this product, which is basically it's a bit like the peg they used on the Mary Rose to stabilize timbers, but it's a leather consolidant and it goes under trade name of Celugel. It basically soaks immediately straight into the leather and actually stabilizes it. And you can then put a top polish on if you want to. But some wonderful things here. Look at this lovely old Coffin hearse. Beautiful workmanship on that. And it was just very interesting looking around what was in the workshop there and all the things they had. So I must say I had a very pleasant little time talking to the people who work there and finding out a bit more about what they do. And they kindly showed me this stitching clam. Now I have actually just made one of those. If you go onto my Instagram, you'll see I've made a folding version of this. Anyway, hope you enjoyed watching this one. See you next time.